Hello friends, I am Professor S.R. Kale from Kale College of Food Technology, Nasik. Today I am here again with another video that is sanitizer and sanitizing methods used in food industry. So we will begin with sanitizer. What it is? Sanitizer. See, sanitizer is a substance. It means it is either a physical, chemical, thermal, or any substance which reduces the microbial contamination present on particular surface, and after using sanitizer on that particular surface we consider that surface to be safe for future use. Sanitizing method. Basically there are four different major sanitizing method. First one is physical sanitizer, second is chemical sanitizer, third is acid sanitizer, and fourth one is other sanitizer. Physical sanitizer include thermal sanitizer, radiations, high hydrostatic pressure, steam and vacuum. Chemical sanitizer include chlorine, iodine, bromine, radiation, quaternary ammonium compound. Acid sanitizer include peroxide acid, mixed acid or organic acid, acid quartz sanitizer, and hydrogen peroxide. While other sanitizer include ozone, glutaraldehyde, and microbicides. So we will begin with physical sanitizer. First one is thermal sanitizer. It is inexpensive and inefficient. As we know that thermal sanitizer include steam and hot water, hence it is called as inexpensive. Inefficient because it is completely depend upon the time, humidity and length of temperature given to the particular food product, hence it is called as inefficient. First one is steam. Steam, it is inexpensive and usually ineffective. While when worker frequently uses water vapor for steam, therefore the temperature usually is not high enough to sterile that which is being cleaned. If the surface that is being treated is highly contaminated steam, a cake may form on the organic residue and prevent sufficient heat penetration to kill microbes. The experience in the food industry has shown that the steam is not amenable to continuous sanitizing of conveyor. Second is hot water. As we know that hot water is readily available and it is non-toxic. It is most effective. It is non-selective sanitizing method for food surface. However, whatever the bacterial spore which are thermophilus, means which survive in high temperature, that bacterial spore are killed by using 100 degrees Celsius hot water. This hot water is frequently used for the cleaning of plate heat exchanger and eating utensils. Second is radiation. The selection of radiation is totally depend upon the type of food product and the type of industry. But approximately and probably we are using radiation at the wavelength of 2500 Armstrong in the form of ultraviolet light or high cathode energy or gamma rays, which will lead to destruction of microorganisms. Then third one is high hydrostatic pressure. It is also called as HHP. This HHP is effective on mold, bacteria, viruses and parasites which are resistant to many biocidal processing treatment. High hydrostatic pressure can be used on many foods such as raw and cooked meat, fish and shellfish, fruit and vegetable product, cheese, salad, dip, grain and grain products including liquids such as juices, sauce and soup. The high pressure does not destroy any food nutrient because it is applied evenly from all the sides. Hence, HHP is most suitable method. Fourth one is steam and vacuum. It is mostly preferred to solid food products such as fresh meat, poultry, processed meat, seafood and fruit and vegetable. Saturated steam is incorporated into the food product for destruction of pathogen in case of steam and vacuum. Next one is chemical sanitizer. First one is chlorine compound. Liquid chlorine, hypochlorite, inorganic and organic chloroamine, and chlorine dioxide is used as a chlorine sanitizer due to their high antimicrobial activity. Chlorine gas may be injected slowly into water and form antimicrobial foam. Hypochlorous acid. This hypochlorous acid is highly effective against microorganism. It is 80 times effective as compared to hypochlorite ion. Second, iodine compound. The major iodine compound used for sanitizing are iodophore, alcohol iodine solution, and aqueous iodine solution. These solutions are normally used as an antibacterial, antimicrobial, and disinfectant. The iodophore have value for cleaning and disinfecting equipment and surface, and as a skin antiseptic. Iodophore is also used as a water treatment. Third is bromine compound. Bromine has been used alone or in combination with other compounds, more in water treatment than as a sanitizer for processing equipment and utensils. At a slightly acidic to normal pH, organic chloroamine compounds are effective in destroying spore of Bacillus cereus than are organic bromine compound, but chloroamine with bromine tend to be less affected by alkaline pH of 7.5 or higher. The addition of bromine to a chlorine compound solution can synergistically increases the effectiveness of bromine and chlorine. Then quaternary ammonium compound. It is mostly used on floor, wall, furnishing and equipment. These quaternary ammonium compound are naturally wetting agent with built-in detergent property and are referred to as synthetic surface active agent. Thus, they can be applied to foaming. They are good penetrated and have high value for cleaning of porous surface. Third sanitizer, that is acid sanitizers. First one is peroxide acid sanitizer. Peroxide acid is a strong, fast-acting sanitizer which works on chlorine-based sanitizer through oxidation. Used as a protection against biofilm. This peroxide acid sanitizer has a low foam characteristic of the sanitizer which makes them suitable for CIP application, that we all are familiar with the CIP, that is cleaning in place application is done by using peroxide acid sanitizer. Second is mixed peroxide acid or organic acid sanitizer. The mixed peroxide acid or organic acid sanitizer are effective in lower concentration against yeast and mold. These sanitizers have higher acidity and are more effective at combining sanitizing with an acid rinse which reduces mineral film buildup. Also, this contains surfactant that reduces surface tension. It is used as an antimicrobial in meat and poultry plant is a combination of sodium chloride and citric acid. Third one is acid quat sanitizer. It is simply the mixture of quaternary ammonium compound and acid together. Especially it is used against bacterial spore and biofilm formation. It is non-toxic, odorless, colorless and temperature stable. Also it is inexpensive, hence it is rarely used in food industry. Hydrogen peroxide. It has highest antibacterial activity, can be used on all type of packaging, surface equipment, floor and drain, wall, steel, mesh, gloves, belt and other areas where contamination exists. It is highly reactive in 3% and 6% concentrated solution. The last type of sanitizer is other sanitizer. It includes first one ozone. Ozone Ozone is a molecule which comprising of three oxygen atoms is naturally occurring in Earth upper atmosphere. Ozone is act as a powerful and non-selective oxidant and disinfectant and may control microbial and chemical hazard. Common byproduct of ozonation are molecular oxygen, acid, aldehyde and ketone. This sanitizer does not cause a harmful residue or contaminated flavor. This sanitizer is more powerful disinfectant than chlorine. Hence, ozone is mostly preferred in food industry as compared to chlorine as a sanitizer. Second is glutaraldehyde. This sanitizer has been used to control the growth of common gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria, also yeast, filamentous fungi, and few microorganisms which are found on conveyor belt in food industry. This glutaraldehyde reduces bacterial level by 99.99% and fungal level by 99.9% in 30 minutes. Hence, glutaraldehyde is most effectively used against bacteria in food industry, especially in conveyor lubricant belt. Last one is microbicide. The 2-methyl 5-chloro 2-methyl isothiazolone used as a microbicide on product conveyor. This microbicide has been found to be effective against bacterial spore at 10 ppm concentration level as an active ingredient. This biocide kill microorganisms quickly at pH which is higher than 9, which is typically most conveyor lubricant. So here we are completed with our topic, that is sanitizer, types of sanitizer and different sanitizing method which we are using in food industry. Thank you.